Do you want to detect even tiny amounts of molecules with incredible precision? If yes, meet the Surface-Enhanced Raman Spectroscopy. Surface-Enhanced Raman Spectroscopy is an advanced form of Raman spectroscopy that boosts signal strength by millions of times, using nanostructured metal surfaces like gold or silver. This technique has made it possible to detect and analyze even a single molecule. In metal nanostructures, molecules are placed on a rough metal surface or nanoparticles. During localized surface plasmon resonance, LSPR, a light excites surface electrons in the metal, creating intense electromagnetic fields. For an enhanced Raman scattering, the molecules near the metal surface experience an amplified Raman signal, making detection ultra-sensitive. SERS is an important technique because it is used in biosensing and medical diagnostics to detect the diseases, viruses, and biomarkers. In chemical and environmental analysis to identify pollutants and toxins at trace levels. In forensics and security to detect drugs, explosives, and counterfeit materials. In electrochemistry and catalysis to study reaction mechanisms at electrode interfaces. SERS combines nanotechnology, plasmonics, and spectroscopy, making it one of the most powerful analytical tools for ultra-sensitive detection. From medical breakthroughs to forensic investigations, SERS is revolutionizing science and technology. Do you want to explore more about plasmonics and spectroscopy? Stay tuned.